Hello everyone. So in today's video we will be completing the test your knowledge under working with categorical data. So just click on it, and after clicking it will directly take us here. Now here click on open quiz. After clicking on open quiz it will send us here. Now here you can see the correct answers for the first question, and the correct answer for the second question is false. The correct answer for the third question are these two. Just click on them, and the correct answer for the fourth question is this. The correct answer for the fifth question is 8. Now we'll just click here to submit answer. We'll wait for a while, let it verify. So we have completed this challenge also. Guys, I don't say this at the starting of this video because it will waste some kind of your time, guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will help me a lot. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys.